In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Sendwave account in Pakistan. By the end, you'll be set up and ready to start exploring the app with confidence. First, you'll want to download a trusted VPN app. A VPN helps you securely connect through another country, which can make region-locked apps visible in your app store. Choose a reputable provider with good reviews and a clear privacy policy. This matters for both reliability and your data security. After installing, open the VPN and sign in if required. Next, connect to a server located in the United States or the United Kingdom. These regions typically have full access to the Sendwave app. Give the VPN a moment to connect and wait for the confirmation that you're protected. If the connection feels slow, switch to a different server within the same country for a better experience. With the VPN running, head to your device's app store and download the Sendwave app. If the app doesn't appear right away, close and reopen your app store, or briefly toggle your VPN off and on to refresh the connection. Once you see Sendwave, install it like any other app. Open Sendwave and tap Sign Up on the welcome screen. Keep your VPN connected during this process to avoid any region-related hiccups. The app will guide you through simple prompts. Now, enter your information exactly as it appears on your official documents. Accuracy helps you avoid issues later, especially if the app asks you to confirm any details. Use a secure password you haven't used elsewhere, and consider enabling any security features the app offers to protect your account. You'll then verify your phone number. Make sure the number you enter can receive texts or calls on your device. When the verification code arrives, type it in promptly. If you don't see it, wait a moment, check your signal, and request a new code if needed. Avoid multiple rapid requests to prevent delays. At this point, you can add a payment method, though it's optional. If you'd like to set it up now, follow the prompts to add a valid card or other supported option. Double-check the billing details, and only proceed over a secure connection. If you prefer, you can skip this and add it later from the settings. You're all set to start using Sendwave, explore the app's features, review any fees and exchange rates before sending, and keep your VPN on if you need it for access. For the smoothest experience, keep your app updated and your account information current.